My name is Emilien Leonard from Hirox Europe. I was invited to participate to the Girl in a Spotlight project initiated by Abbie Vandivere. The technical examination of Vermeer's masterpiece, The Girl with the Pearl Earring, took place at the Mauritshuis Museum in Den Hague in March 2018. For this project, we specifically designed a new motorized XYZ scanning system to perform a scan of the full painting in high resolution with the Hirox microscope. And now we are waiting for the girl to come. You can see the setup. And the special stands. Everything is ready to go. I think the girl is coming as we speak now. The goal of the inspection was to learn more about Vermeer's painting technique, to evaluate the surface condition, measure cracks and topography of various key areas while assessing past restorations. With this equipment, my colleague Vincent Sabatier and I made the first 10 billion pixel panorama. Overnight, 9,100 multifocus 3D files were automatically captured and then combined in one single panorama, where 1 pixel equals 4.4 microns. Here, for example, we concentrate on a double dot on her shirt, placed by Vermeer to add texture in the fabrics. The start point and then go up to here?
I wanted more of the lines.
Black.
Yeah, there we go.
Like here somewhere?
Yeah,
or I can go even lower.
That's great.
Okay, end point.
Yeah, thanks.
And then I will use a bigger magnification at 140x. Alright, so we'll have a good 3D information. And this is the bottom point, and this is the somewhere here will be the top point. So you will do 30 single files.
Wow.
The Hirox software is then automatically moving the lens up and down with very high precision, capturing a series of images at different focus and combining them in one fully focused image. The motorized XY stage is then moving to the next position, creating a high-resolution panorama. In total, 10 key areas were captured as all-in-focus super high resolution to create 3D stitch of those surfaces, where 1 pixel equals 1.1 micron. This is the result of this scan, a 3D image of the surface where we can observe with high precision the topography and measure the height of those two dots. Here the color represents the altitude. Red is the highest and blue is the lowest point of this 3D. You can also see cracks, dust and pigments. The total height is 130 micron, which is 1/7 of a millimeter. We just developed a panorama website to give you access to the full scan and zoom directly in a painting. You can also open and zoom further in a 10 high-resolution key areas with up to 1 micron resolution. If you click on a 3D logo, you will open a 3D viewer that lets you manipulate those high-resolution 3D stitching and experience the girl in a completely new way, including a virtual spotlight. It's as if you have the painting in your hands. You will find more information about 3D digital microscopy on our website, and don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.